Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with today's pre-market forecast for Friday, April the 16th. And we're also going to do our end of week review. Let's start as usual with our news items on the docket for this morning. And today, Friday being the 16th at 10 a.m., we have the prelim UOM consumer sentiment. After a phenomenal week of positive economic news, including lower unemployment claims, and excessive growth in manufacturing, retail, all around showing the economy showing way much robust continued growth as the markets continue to open here in the United States. And also we have record-setting profits being reported by many of the banks and or tech stocks. So and actually you can clearly see the effect on this news in the market. Not only did we establish another record high, as a matter of fact, we're moving towards another record high today. This bar from yesterday, has been the largest range bar that we've had all week long. And the most important impressive part about this is obviously the volume. The volume the last several days has been a lot higher than the average. Here we have over 1.4 million. Here we have over 1.3 million. In other words, the average in our volume has truly increased significantly. Now, remember, significantly is relative. Remember, where I'm comparing the particular range of our volume to the last week and a half or so. Okay, obviously it was much better early towards the end of the month in March, but I'm talking about relative increase. So that's an important thing as markets just continue to establish these record highs based on all the information that I stipulated previously. So what are we expecting today? Well, let's look closely at another time frame here, look a little bit more behind the scenes. Here is our last record high. Notice how we broke the record high. As usual, same pattern again, new record high. Market comes back to use that as a support level. And you can just draw this clearly through here like this, and you can see how the market just established the high and it used it as support. Same pattern. And obviously we're here right now. We're currently establishing new record highs as we speak, as I'm producing this particular video. You notice how the market just keep making higher highs and lower lows, higher highs and higher lows. That's obviously a clear trend. This is a channel trend to the upside. Market breaks clearly above it. That's what we're expecting today. Just more continuations, probably just looking for good strong dips to do buys. And if we go to one of our analysis charts here, we can see what's happening. Here it is again, late in the day, establishing an all-time high. This is exactly what's been happening recently. This is a late day surge from the early morning lows. Market just kind of consolidated for a while, took off, rested, took off, rested, took off, deeper retracement to our previous support level, launched itself higher through the middle of the night, and here's where we find ourselves right now, coming off the current all-time highs. And of course, here's our clear support level. The market can potentially retrace all the way down to here. And of course, we do have a trend line here that was being respected to the upside, which clearly broke above it. That's what gives us the signals of continued movement to the upside. We broke this level here to the upside. We broke this level up to the upside, and we have established a new record high. So that's what we're expecting today. The same pattern of retracements, continuation. What is your job today? Make sure you find the highest probability area where you can protect your stop and let the market do its work for you. Take care. Have a great session and have a great week. Take care.